You know your sales training works. Reps start asking better discovery questions and managers get more comfortable with coaching conversations. You see those light bulb moments in your workshops and receive great feedback from customers. Even though your courses are successful, your business operations are holding you back from significant growth. You're stuck managing spreadsheets, coordinating enrolments, manually sending out pre-work and pulling together ROI reports. It takes hours. You've got the demand. There's that enterprise team wanting your methodology, the startup after your prospecting workflow. But taking on more work means more admin, more weekends lost to operations instead of actually scaling your business. When you're competing for contracts, clients are impressed by platforms with dashboards and automated tracking that show ROI in real time. Even though your face-to-face programs get better results, without the infrastructure to prove it and provide additional value to customers, you may lose out. Guroo Academy solves this challenge, our all-in-one platform that extends your workshop impact and cuts out the operational overhead that's holding you back. Here's how it works. Before training, participants complete diagnostic assessments that show their strengths and development areas. They consider their own environment and set goals accordingly. During your course, Academy manages schedules, distributes resources, tracks attendance, and awards certifications. This means you can concentrate entirely on facilitation, simulations, and coaching, all those breakthrough moments that actually change how people sell. After each session, participants apply what they've learned to real opportunities. You can set up their managers as coaches to support them while they practice back at work. Academy keeps momentum going through automated follow-ups and dashboards to track progression. Organisational sponsors can log in and see learner progress, getting real-time visibility into skill development and return on training investment. We understand that sales transformation happens through expert coaching and field application, not self-paced e-learning modules. Academy provides you with a digital foundation that lets your face-to-face programs shine. You can show your customers true behaviour change that drives revenue, while automating the operational work that's been holding you back from scale. Visit guru.academy to see how sales trainers unlock their growth potential.